No, none.
Very little smoke. What's he doing? Running it dry, maybe?
Maybe.
He's probably running it dry. Were you running it dry? You running it dry?
Just running it.
Just running it?
More people want to see it.
Okay, yeah, it's cool. Don't make much smoke, does it? It's a clean burn. Some more engines. Look at these. They're different.
This reminds me of the ones that go off the washing machine. The
Really?
Maytag.
Really?
Remember the Maytag washing machine?
Yeah.
That's what that looks like.
Huh. That looks like a generator over there.
We tried to put them on our go-karts, but they just didn't have enough power.
Not enough power. Not enough RPMs.
No.
No.
But they had them on the washing machine. Kick started it.
Right.